to showcase probably some different things. I work for Book Creator now, as of like this is day number 8, but I was an ed tech coach for the last year and a half. And I always think there's a power of a TV screen, whatever, that's up in front of my room when I would go in, because I feel like when I can go up and showcase, you know, the simplicity and never get, you know, stuck, and just this monitor for me is like that yeehaw moment, because when I have this, I feel like empowered to like share. And so, yeah, user friendly. So I can play this, but what's cool is I can actually go in and write on it. I can use these different options, and so I can highlight some of this stuff, okay? So I might even be able to sit here and say, this is our Eduguardians book, but I might say, let me go ahead and highlight, you know, like, hey guys, I want you guys to focus on this right here, this session right here, uncovering the hero in every student. To me, to be able to really highlight a piece on anything, that's amazing. Like, let's go ahead and create, okay? So I even look at this highlighter as something where I can sit here and let's just say that this text right here, okay? And I'm gonna erase this. I can use my whole hand, sweet. But I want to say that, let's just say that I might have seen some, just like a passage or something, okay? And with students, when I'm able to highlight, when I'm able to circle right up here, they're going to be engaged, they're going to be focused. So let's say I have this text, okay, and I want them to focus on this, I'm going to highlight, okay? And so for me, that's really, really nice. Or being able to just choose those things, being able to circle. So I just love the simplicity of these screens. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I want to do it.
Yeah, you do it. Hey, you're taking mine.
Gosh. Okay.
Boom. Oh, which one? Oh my gosh, oh, boom. So I just love that.
That's wonderful.
Let's see. I think we should get figgy with it.
Let's get figgy with it.
Let's get figgy with it. Has anybody heard of Fig Jam?
That's the session I missed.
Okay, actually it's tomorrow.
Oh, is it? I have something else going on at that time.
I'll forgive you. I'll give you a little sneak peek.
Oh,
Okay. So I love to get figgy with it. And with this one, I just app smashed Book Creator. And this is actually a practical way that I have used this app smash with students. This is a project that 7th graders actually use. Like, this is their books, these are their comments, okay, and everything. So with that, I'll go in, and so with this one, what they did was they did a brainstorming process. They created holiday books, okay, that's what they did. And so what they did was they created holiday books, then they went down to 1st grade and they read their books to our 1st graders, but they had to go through this brainstorming process, which I can then do there. And so if I read now, I can do what I think I'm addicted.
Yeah, I think
I'm addicted to this like highlighter.
highlighting.
Like, guys, like, okay, your climax, like I can go in.
You know Mrs. Claus is going to do a better job anyway. So I'm kidding.
That's for true, that's for true. So love that. Oh my God, I'm addicted to this like all. So I don't know, I don't have a screen like this at my school, and it's just a screen. It's just there, right? It's not engagement, okay? So that's what I love about it. And then just being able to app smash, being able to circle, okay? Like, hey guys, make sure you go ahead and read this one as they have it maybe on their computer.
Yeah.
And so love, love, love.
There you are. Whoop. And then it comes out like a Polaroid, old school, right?
Boom. So love Fig Jam, love, you know, Book Creator, love app smashing. Just the simplicity of just having it right there and all that. So that's just a little bit I just love that. I'm in love with that highlighter.
That highlighter, you just got to keep it up the whole time.
I
Like I
love
feel
that.
like that highlighter needs to be set.
And that